Hi, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'm going to show you some of my favorite fall panel quilts that I've made over the years. On Tuesday, I'll show you how to make this pretty gather skirt for any age and any size individual. On Wednesday, it's all about how to make piping different ways. And on Friday, it's all about men's gift ideas, things you can make for the man in your life. If you are interested in beginner's sewing tutorials, then check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week, and happy sewing! If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.